I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to cancel an order right now. Start with what matters. Open the Maccaron app and sign in so the system recognizes you. Make sure you have the order ID and the payment method used visible, because you'll need them if the interface asks. Check the order status immediately to confirm it's still cancelable. Many platforms lock changes when fulfillment begins. Once you see it's cancelable, move to the Orders tab and locate that specific order to start the next step. You're in the orders list. Now act decisively. Tap the order to open details, then choose Cancel Order. Maccaron will usually ask you to pick a reason so they can route the request. Read any notes about restocking or processing fees. These may affect refunds. After selecting the reason, press Confirm and wait for the app to show a cancellation acknowledgement. Make sure to save a confirmation number or screenshot. This is how you prove the request if there's a dispute later on. Once you confirm, don't stop, verify. Watch your email and in-app notifications for the cancellation confirmation so you know the system processed it. Check your payment method for a pending refund and note the timeline. Refunds often take days depending on the bank or processor. If you don't get confirmation, or the app still shows the order active, contact Maccaron support immediately and provide the order ID plus your screenshot. Troubleshooting tip. If support is slow, escalate with the payment provider using the transaction reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.